A lot of the old places out here seem to be built out of limestone, which is why they are still standing. They, ran some cattle. We found a few cactus. Somebody had a little cattle operation out here. But it's just another abandoned place that, if you could just get people to sell this kind of thing, how cool would that be? They set the limestone and then filled all the cracks with a very sandy cement. The gate was open and there were no trespassing signs, so I feel comfortable coming in here. Typical lattice behind all the they had an electrical outlet. The walls in this place are 2 foot thick.
Yeah, they're like cement, right?
Is this a 2-story? Probably a kitchen. And again, such a small kitchen. Oh yeah, here's the stairs. Yes, I'm going upstairs. Well, I'm not going to go out on it because it does not look very good. The stairs were okay. I would say this is 2 bedrooms up here, babe. Walls are. I would say the wall itself is a foot thick, and then we got the frame on the outside of vertical. I don't like to do vertical with this phone because when you go to download them, it doesn't tell you that it's a movie. You have to put your mouse on it in order to figure out what it is. So what I'm seeing here, there is wood underneath that, and then they poured concrete over top of that, and then the frames were set in.
Wow, this is just amazing. It's only standing because of this limestone.
Yep, exactly.
You could gut this house out and rebuild inside.
Yep, you could.
What's this?
And then all you would really need to do is gas line. All you'd really need to do is so that would have made that the kitchen.
Yeah,
It's
probably.
a gas line going in there. Let me see. I think that's no, because I have the kitchen back here. So let's see. There's a under the stairs cubby hole. So the gas line comes in, and that actually goes. Well, it's probably entering from the ground. But yeah, I'm not sure whether this was a bathroom or what. I'll bet it was. There's a wide angle of the view. Check out this view, babe. Can you imagine what that's like when it's green out?
Oh, yeah.
You'd say what?
Because I see these right here for chicken cubby houses.
Oh, yeah.
I would say this was.
Oh, it's a pretty nice chicken coop.
Yeah. Wow. There's nothing wrong with this building except for the roof.
Uh-huh.
You know, there's some wire, chicken wire over there.
Yeah, this was a nice chicken coop.
Yeah. You know, they could have had something else over in that part.
Yeah.
You know, like, bed.
There's a lot of poop on the floor, so, but, you know, I don't know whether that's chicken poop or... I know that the place is still standing. You know, I have found absolutely nothing with a date on it anywhere, so... Yep, you can make a pretty nice chicken coop, baby.
Yes. Okay, there's all this wire. What's all this wire up here for?
Yeah, it's chicken wire to keep them from getting up high.
Yeah. Stay nice and cool in here in the
Uh-huh.
summertime. 40 minutes. Wow, nice chicken house.
Yeah, all you'd really need to do, based on what I see of the roof, is overlay it with,
Metal.
well, I would put OSB down, and then tar paper, and then put metal on top of that.
Oh, yeah.
And then all of a sudden you have a nice chicken coop.
Yeah. You have to get windows in there, but otherwise there's nothing wrong.
Okay, this is to the south of the house here. I suspect it's a pump house, but I don't know. But again, made out of limestone, and then there's a granary right there.
So we're the right shoes.
Let's see. What? Yeah, there's a big tank in here, babe, so...
So what was it? What's that tank for?
Well, I would assume that's the water tank. You know, electrical box, lights. That kind of is interesting.
Well, these, I think all this stuff fell out of there.
Yes, it did.
It's cool in here. Feel how cool it is?
It could have been a very possibly an outhouse too, babe.
I know.
based on this concrete thing I see back here. A foundation for something. Maybe a garage.
Was it made out of limestone?
Nope.
It is a solid foundation though, isn't it?
You could put a building back over this and use the concrete.
I know it. I know.
It's not cracked near as bad as that new concrete we've seen.
Right? It looks in pretty good shape.
Yeah. That? I'm not sure, baby. Who knows what's down in there? Not so sure I want to find out. I don't think anything, or all this wouldn't be here. Pretty cool. Storm shelter.